You got your Bible? Let's read. We're going to be reading from Nehemiah chapter 2, 3, 4. Nehemiah chapter 2 is Nehemiah goes to Jerusalem. Nehemiah chapter 3 is rebuilding the wall of Jerusalem. Nehemiah chapter 4 is enemies oppose the rebuilding. I'm going to be reading from the King James Version. Come join me, Nehemiah chapter 2. And it came to pass in the month of Nisan, in the 20th year of Xerxes the king, that wine was before him. And I took up the wine and gave it unto the king. Now I had not been before time sad in his presence. Wherefore the king said unto me, Why is thy countenance sad, seeing that thou art not sick? This is nothing else but sorrow of heart. Then I was very sore afraid, and said unto the king, Let the king live forever. Why should not my countenance be sad, when the city, the place of my father's sepulchres, lieth waste, and the gates thereof are consumed with fire? Then the king said unto me, For what doest thou make requests? So I prayed to God of heaven. And I said unto the king, If it please the king, and if thy servant have found favor in thy sight, that thou wouldest send me unto Judah, unto the city of my father's sepulchres, that I may build it. And the king said unto me, the queen also sitting by him, For how long shall thy journey be? And when wilt thou return? So it pleased the king to send me, and I set him a time. Moreover, I said unto the king, If it please the king, let letters be given me to the governors beyond the river, that they may convey me over till I come into Judah. And a letter unto Asaph, the keeper of the king's forest, that he may give me timber to make beams for the gates of the palace, which pertaineth to the house, and for the wall of the city, and for the house that I shall enter into. And the king granted me, according to the good hand of my God upon me. Then I came to the governors beyond the river, and gave them the king's letters. Now the king has sent captains of the army and horsemen with me. When Sanballat the Hornite of Tobiah the servant, the Ammonite, heard of it, it grieved them exceedingly that there was come a man to seek the welfare of the children of Israel. So I came to Jerusalem and was there 3 days. And I arose in the night, I and some few men with me. Neither told I any man what my God had put in my heart to do at Jerusalem. Neither was there any beast with me, save the beast that I rode upon. And I went out by night by the gate of the valley, even before the dragon well, and it into the dung port, and viewed the walls of Jerusalem, which were broken down, and the gates thereof were consumed with fire. Then I went on to the gate of the fountain, and to the king's pool, but there was no place for the beast that was under me to pass. Then went I up in the night by the brook, and viewed the wall, and entered by the gate of the valley, and so returned. And the rulers knew not whither I went, nor what I did, neither had I as yet told it to the Jews, nor to the priests, nor to the nobles, nor to the rulers, nor to the rest that did the work. Then said I unto them, Ye see the distress that they are in, how Jerusalem lieth waste, and the gates thereof are burned with fire. Come, let us build up the wall of Jerusalem, that we be no more reproached. Then I told them of the hand of my God, which was good upon me, as also the king's word that he had spoken unto me. And they said, Let us rise, build up and build. So they strengthened their hands for this good work. But when Sanballat the Hornite and Tobiah the servant of the Ammonite and Geshem the Arabian heard it, they laughed us to scorn and despised us, and said, What is this thing that ye do? Will ye rebel against the king? Then answered I them, and said unto them, The God of heaven, he will prosper us. Therefore we, his servants, will arise and build. But ye have no portion, nor right, nor memorial in Jerusalem. I'm going to read Nehemiah chapter 3. Then Elebenaz, the high priest, rose up with his brethren, the priests, and they built the sheep gate. They sanctified it and set up the doors of it, even unto the tower of Med. They sanctified it unto the tower of Hananel. And next unto him builded the man of Jericho. And next to them built Zachar, the son of Imri. But the fish gate did the sons of Hananiah build, who also laid the beams thereof, and set up the doors thereof, the locks thereof, and the bars thereof. And next unto them repaired Methel, the son of Uriah, the son of Koth. And next unto them they repaired Meshullam, the son of Berechiah, the son of Meshabel. And next unto them repaired Zadok, the son of Bani. And next unto them the Tekots repaired, but their nobles put not their necks to the work of their Lord. Moreover, the old gate repaired Jodai, the son of Pesh, and Meshul, the son of Bezadai. They laid the beams thereof, and set up the doors thereof, and the locks thereof, and the bars thereof. And next unto them repaired Methalai, the Gibeonite, and Jadon the Meronite, the man of Gibeon, and of Mespah, unto the throne of the governor of on this side of the river. Next unto him repaired Uzel, the son of Hariah, of the goldsmiths. Next unto him also repaired Hananiah, the son of one of the apothecaries, and they fortified Jerusalem unto the broad wall. And next unto them repaired Rephi, the son of Hir, the ruler of the half part of Jerusalem. And next unto him repaired Jodai, the son of Harpamiel, even over against his house. And next unto him repaired Hattush, the son of Hashmani, and Makajai, the son of Hiram, and Hashub, the son of Pethamah, repaired the other piece, and the tower of the furnaces. And next unto him repaired Shullam, the son of Haloshesh, the ruler of the half part of Jerusalem, he and his daughters. The valley gate repaired Hanah, and the inhabitants of Zoath. They built it, and set up the doors thereof, the locks thereof, and the bars thereof, and 1,000 cubits on the wall unto the dung gate. But the dung gate repaired Malchi, the son of Rabat, the ruler of the part of Beth Hermaj. He built it and set up the doors thereof, the locks thereof, and the bars thereof. But the gate of the fountain repaired Shullam, the son of Kohath, the ruler of part of Mespah. He built it and covered it, and set up the doors thereof, the locks thereof, and the bars thereof, and the wall of the pool, and shut out the king's garden, and into the stairs that go down from the city of David. After him repaired Nehemiah, the son of Zabuk, the ruler of the half part of Beshar, unto the place over against the scepters of David, in the pool that was made, and unto the house of the mighty. After him repaired the Levites, Ram the son of Benai. Next unto him repaired Heshbonai, the ruler of the half part of Kilal, in his part. After him repaired the brethren, Bava, the son of Benhadad, the ruler of the half part of Kilal. And next unto him repaired Ezra, the son of Jushel, the ruler of Mizpah, another piece over against the going up of the army of the turning of the wall. After him Beri, the son of Zibiah, earnestly repaired the other piece, from the turning of the wall unto the door of the house of Elibash, the high priest. After him repaired Meremoth, the son of Uriah, the son of Koth, another piece, from the door of the house of Eshulai, even to the end of the house of Eshelib. And after him repaired the priest, the man of the plain. After him repaired Benjamin and Habash, over against their house. After him repaired Zariah, the son of Meshah, the son of Enahai, by his house. And after him repaired Benai, the son of Henhadan, another piece in the house of Azariah, unto the turning of the wall, even into the corner. Palah, the son of Uzzah, over against the turning of the wall, and the tower which lieth out from the king's high house, that was by the court of the prison. After him Pedai, the son of Perosh. Moreover, the Nethines dwelt in Ophel, unto the high place over against the water gate toward the east, to the tower that lieth out. After them the Tokets repaired another piece over against the great tower that lieth even unto the wall of Ophel. from above the horse gate repaired the priests, every one over against his house. After them repaired Zodai, the son of Immer, over against the house. After him repaired also Shimei, the son of Meshani, the keeper of the east gate. After him repaired Hananiah, the son of Shimei, and Huan, and the sixth son of Zappa, another piece. After him repaired Shemuel, the son of Beri, over against his chambers. And after him repaired Micah, the goldsmith's son, unto the place of the Nethines, and the merchants over against the gate Medak, and to the going up to the corner. And between the going up of the corner and the sheep gate repaired the goldsmiths and the merchants. I'm going to read the last chapter of the night. It is Nehemiah chapter 4. But it came to pass that when Sanballat heard that we built the wall, he was wroth and took great indignation and mocked the Jews. And he spake before his brethren in the army of Samaria and said, what do these feeble Jews? Will they fortify themselves? Will they sacrifice? Will they make an end in the day? Will they revive the stones out of the heaps of the rubbish which are burned? And Tobiah the Ammonite, who was by him, and he said, even that which they build, if a fox go up, he shall even break down their stone wall. Hear, O our God, for we are despised, and turn their reproach upon their own head, and give them for a prey in the land of captivity, and cover not their iniquity, and let not their sin be blotted out from before thee. For they have provoked thee to anger before the builders. So built we the wall, and also the wall was joined together unto the half thereof. For the people had a mind to work. But it came to pass that when Sanballat and Tobiah and the Arabians and the Ammonites and the Asherites heard that the walls of Jerusalem were made up, and that the breaches began to be stopped, then they were very wroth, and conspired all of them together to come and to fight against Jerusalem, and to hinder it. Nevertheless, we made unto our God, and set a watch against them day and night because of them. And Judah said, the strength of the bearer of the burdens is decayed, and there is much rubbish, so that we are not able to build the wall. And our adversary said, they shall not know, neither see, till we come in the midst among them, and slay them, and cause the work to cease. And it came to pass that when the Jews which dwelt by them came, they said unto us 10 times, from all places whence ye shall return unto us, they will be upon you. Therefore set I in the lower places behind the wall, and on the higher places. I even set the people after their families, with their swords and their spears and their bows. And I looked and rose up, and said unto the nobles and to the rulers and to the rest of the people, be not ye afraid of them. Remember the Lord, which is great and terrible, and fight for your brethren, your sons and your daughters and your wives and your houses. And it came to pass, when our enemies heard that it was known unto us, and God had brought their counsels to naught, that we returned all of us to the wall, every one unto his work. And it came to pass from that time forth that the half of my servants wrought in the work, and the other half of them held both the spears, and the shields, and the bows, and the habergeons, and the rulers were behind all the house of Judah. They which build on the wall, and they that bear burdens, with those that laid it. Every one with one of his hands wrought in the work, and with the other hand held a weapon. For the builders, every one with his sword girded by his side, and so builded. And he that sounded the trumpet was by me. And I said unto the nobles and to the rulers, the work is great and large, and we are separated upon the wall, one far from another. In what place, therefore, ye hear the sound of the trumpet, resort ye thither unto us. Our God shall fight for us. So we labored in the work, and half of them held the spears from the rising of the morning till the stars appeared. Likewise, at the same time said I unto the people, let every one with his servant lodge within Jerusalem, that in the night they may be a guard to us and labor on the day. So neither I nor my brethren, nor my servants, nor the men of the guard which followed me, none of us put off our clothes, saving that everyone put them off for washing. I have read Nehemiah chapter 2, 3, 4. Nehemiah chapter 2 is Nehemiah goes to Jerusalem. Nehemiah chapter 3 is rebuilding the wall of Jerusalem. Nehemiah chapter 4 is enemies oppose the rebuilding. I plan to come back by the grace of God. Keep me in prayer to read 3 to 4 scriptures daily. You can follow me on social media platforms. On Facebook, it is Minister Chiffon. On YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, it is Minister Chiffon. Minister Chiffon's out.